Okay, so we're going to go ahead and animate this character. How we're going to do that is if you look on the right-hand side of the character, there's a button that says rotation. If you click on the button that says rotation, it's going to add a keyframe to start the animation. So that's what we need to do. What you can also do, if you can't get to this feature over here, is that if I click on the body part associated with the bone, so I'm going to the back foot, and I wiggled the foot a little bit, it's automatically going to add the keyframe for the foot. And what I'm going to do, because the feature is hidden underneath each one, I'm going to actually click on each feature and I'm going to wiggle it or put it in place so that I add the keyframe for the body part. Okay, so if I did this correctly, I should have all of my layers here for my character. So I have upper body, head, front bicep, front forearm, back bicep, back forearm, back thigh, back calf, back foot should be on this list too, but it is not. So I'm going to click on the foot and move it just a little bit. And now I have back thigh, front, head, core, stick figure. This is the whole thing. And I'm looking for back foot. There we are. There's a back foot. And then I have front foot is down here. Okay. So now when I scrub, when I move this over to my next keyframe, I can click on a body part. I want to actually move this up here, and I want to move this here. I want to move this here, this here. I want to move this here. So if I did this right, I go like that. So I basically I want to just move that up just a little bit more. I want to move this just like that. And I want to move this like that. Okay, and then obviously the arms need to move now. So I'm going to click on the arms. Move this slightly. And that. Okay. And then on the next one, I probably want to click on an arm. Gonna move this over. Click on that. Click on that. Move that over. Move it just a little bit over. Move that up just a little bit. Move that. Kick that leg back. That leg back. This leg comes forward. This leg comes forward. That leg comes up. This leg here. And we're just creating a simple animation for this. And then can move this one maybe here. Maybe this one back here. Maybe this goes here. Maybe that goes here. Move that up. Maybe move this one here. Move that back. Move that back. And move that there. And move that forward. And then you can probably, what you can do, just to make sure that everything is in place, you can take all your keyframes from the very beginning. Hold down the Shift key. Not going to worry about that one. So I have all my keyframes all highlighted. I press Control C, and then I press Control V to paste them, and I put them on the last keyframe. So if I loop this, click on Loop, and press the space bar, it's going to be running in place. And then there's obviously other ways of editing this, but I just wanted you guys to create a simple animation. So hopefully this helps out. If you have any questions, we will answer them during class on Friday. I will see you later, and I hope this helps. And that's our animation. Oh, and then to save this, let me go ahead and save this. Let me stop the animation. Click on the upload button. So you click on the upload button. It's in the upper left-hand corner. Click on download. Click on for backup. And this is the file that we want for the actual final. So this is the file I need uploaded to the final. And I will create that tonight. So you will see it there on Friday or even tonight if you go there tonight. Thank you, and I will see you guys later. Hope everyone has a nice evening and a wonderful day tomorrow.